Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well in your lives. I am doing good. Uh, so let's not talk any negative thing here. Just hoping everything to be positive soon. So I hope you guys are watching my video and enjoying it. So that is why I am making these videos with full energy, upbeat. Because girl, you cannot sit at home idle. So you have to make content. And making content, I think I'm so blessed that I can make content, and yeah, that also you guys like, so that's a great thing which I can do. So guys, today's video is all about a skincare product, and I know I am late on this product, but I wanted to try it like for 2 weeks and then tell you guys what I feel about it, because in my last video, oh my god, like you guys have written so many things in that video, in Nykaa's glow oil video. I know, like I don't have anything to hate about that brand, but you know that that is still not working out for me. I cannot lie about a product. So this time I thought I have to give this product, quite some time to know if I like this product or not. But if you are following me on my Instagram, you know already that I love this product. Anyways, guys, suspense ko todte hain, and the product which I am talking about is Nykaa Skin Potion, and this is overnight repair facial oil. So earlier I reviewed their glow oil, that pink bottle. That's the glow oil. You guys, like sometimes now you people say so many things on my video. I just can't stop laughing. I know मैंने pink bottle बोला था, but मुझे पता है वो glow oil है. Sometimes you say such things. No, that's not a big deal. तो जैसे कि इसकी पैकेजिंग आप देख रहे हो, दिस इज रोज गोल्ड इन कलर, and they have already launched 7 to 8 particular variants earlier, but they launched two variants, that is this overnight repair and the other one is 24K, I think gold one. Not very sure about that name, but I'm going to write it here so that you guys do not criticize me for that. So I asked you guys what I should pick up. So you guys chose this one. This is the overnight repair one, and it's been quite some time I have been trying this one. I'm going to tell you everything about this product, but if you guys are new here on my channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and now without any further ado, let's get started. So this particular oil, it comes in a packaging like this. So this is also very rose gold in color, and it is written here overnight repair facial oil. Very similar to their earlier packaging. Looks very good. It is very reflective. So it's very good, and when you open it, you are having all the things which you require when you are buying a product. And yeah, it retails for 999 rupees, and you are getting standard 30 ml of product. Also, you can use this product, like it is made in 01/2020, and you can use this up till 6/2021. That means for like 1.5 month, like years, you are getting to use this. So you need to be very quick to use this product. So that was the outer packaging, and as you guys know, Nykaa's products are always SLS, paraben, and all those chemical free. So this is also like that. So now coming to the actual packaging, it looks like this. Again, very similar to their earlier range. And when you open it, it comes with a dropper. So you get a dropper like this, if you can see, and very convenient packaging. So this is how it looks like. Looks good, and this is not glass. This is metal. I don't know. I'm not sure about it. So yeah, like the packaging, it looks very luxurious. Looks very high end, and it's this bottle says that you need to use it in the night, obviously, because this is overnight oil. And yeah, then you can sleep over, and then when you get up next morning, so you get this very nice radiant kind of skin. And yeah, this is what they claim. So now let's talk about everything else about this product. So this oil in particular is so lightweight. It doesn't even feel very heavy. Just feels very nice and moisturizing, and it absorbs in the skin very quickly. Like with the glow oil, it took little minute, some minutes to apply and then absorb into the skin. But this is so quickly, it just absorbs in the skin so quickly. If you can see, also gives you a pretty nice glow. So that's how this product is. It is not at all oily. Can you see? It is not at all oily. It just gets into your skin. So I like to use it after I wash my face in the night, and then I use it particularly on my cheeks, on my under eyes, also here as well, and onto my neck as well. So I will show you a demo how to use this product. But this product is, it is working for me. And how I know it? Because the day which when I don't use this product, and the other day when I get up, my face looks very very tired. It also does not have the glow. So when I use this one, it just gives my skin a glow. So it, like, it makes you feel that you have applied very nice and healthy product. It smells very very spa like, very typically of oil. So if you have some problem with that, you are not going to like the smell. But other than that, this product is bomb. And the price is really good, very convenient. Like, if you see any other oil, it does not come under rupees 1000. So this is really good that it is under rupees 1000 and you are getting a fantastic product. So I will not suggest you to get those oils which were earlier released. Like, I did not like the glow oil personally, but I love this one. I don't know, like, this is really good. And I also want to try the gold one. I want to try that as well. But this is really working for me. So if you into oils, if you want to buy any oil, so you can buy it, but you cannot use it when there is too much of heat and too much of humidity. Then you are going to sweat like a pig, like I do. So this is the perfect time to use this up, and it gives my face a really good glow. And yeah, it looks as if I have drank loads of water like the previous day, and when I get up, my skin looks so fresh. So yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope you guys like it. And if you liked it, what you guys supposed to do. So it did not break me out as well. So that was also a disclaimer I wanted to give you. And वो जो दाने आ गए थे मुझे ग्लो ऑयल यूज़ करने से, इससे कुछ नहीं हुआ. It just, I think it is just made for my skin, not even oily, you see. Guys, that was about it. I hope you guys like this video. And yeah, now I am going to take your leave. Enjoy.